Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be discussing something about a mysterious train that has been missing for a long time. Okay, before we start this video, make sure to subscribe, share this video, hit that thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our latest videos. So let's get started. Well, it all started where the Italian Zeneri train was offering people a free ride from Rome to test their new train, their new locomotive. So you might be thinking, what is a Zeneri train? Well, a Zeneri is a company owned in Italy in the 1900s. This incident happened in 1911, June 14. What happened was a Zeneri train leaving Rome on June 14th with 106 crew members and passengers together. The main excitement was going through a newly finished tunnel. Yes, this tunnel went through a mountain and was half a mile. So when the train entered the tunnel, it vanished. It did not come out of the other side. There were two survivors from the train incident. The rest of them, we don't know where they went. So the two men had their own stories. One man said that there was black smoke covering the whole train, so he got scared and had jumped out of a window. The other man said that there was a white fog and it swallowed the whole train. So he jumped out of the window and caught an eye on the other passenger who was jumping the window too. They hit the hard ground. One person suffered from stress and sleeping problems, well, for a while. But nobody knows what happened to the 104 people and crew members. Well, there was a record in the ancient monk period where they said that they have seen a big metal kind of engine which had three wheels was going around in that time. Well, that's a little bit odd because the horse was the fastest means of transport at that time. Well, everybody thought the monks just made that story up. But the records went into the Seggino family, and one of the men that had escaped the train was named Seggino. Now that's a little mysterious, isn't it? Well, the next spotting was at 1840 in Mexico. Well, what happened was they saw a Zeneri train, and I don't think a Zeneri train would have been there at 1840. So let's get on and see what happened. What happened was exactly they were wearing very different clothes. The other people found it a little weird. The passengers said that they were going ahead from Rome on a Zeneri train and then they vanished into a tunnel. Well, that's a little mysterious, but what really creeps out is that one of the Mexican person saw an Italian person have a cigarette box dated 1907. So that's a little creepy. Now this isn't the last time the train was spotted. It was spotted in 1955, Ukraine. In Ukraine, when the Zeneri steam engine was going, the station master found it a little weird because in 1955 there were no steam locomotives like that. He rubbed his eyes thinking that he was just seeing things. But no, he actually saw a steam locomotive. So, was it a ghost train or something? No. But it was really creeping. So many scientists still hasn't found what had happened in the train and where did the train go. But most people just believe that the train has time traveled. Well, we're done with this video for today. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.